Now that we got the hood off, getting that prepped for paint, I'm gonna go ahead and tinker with this intake placement and see what kind of options we have as far as moving it over here. It's gonna be a little tight over there. We could certainly run some piping and put a filter right over there in the corner, which might be the last case resort. As I said in that last video, I don't really care for like just the open air filters just hanging there. So I'd love to put a box on it like my truck. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and try to finish the task of routing this intake tube over there to the driver's side fender well, make it look nice and neat. Might go ahead and try to hook up some of the factory sensors with some adapters onto the LS engine. So here we go. Put this bolt up through the fender liner. So, got that mount, that bracket right there. Yep. And then what I think I'm going to do over here is put one inside of the fender with a bolt. Yep. Just like that. Mm-hmm. I kind of like it. What about you?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's
We'll order a new filter for this one, so I'm just gonna put the cap back on for now, make sure everything fits right, and get a filter coming from the Jungle. I think you can get a K&N non-oil filter from the Jungle for like 15 bucks these days. So. All right, we're real close. Got this thing lined up about where I want it. Just gotta cut this one, figure out where the math is gonna go. I'm gonna put it upside down if I can. Somewhere, so the wire harness can go that way. But really, I guess I could go right here. So, with that in mind, now we're gonna need some rubber hose there. That butts up to that. What I did, you can't see them because they're inside the box, but I have a bolt on each side going through the fender, and then a bolt going through the fender well down there with a rubber grommet / hose. So everything is nice and sturdy. Crossbreed's coming along. So that's how the air filter box lines up now. We got it mounted in nice and tight over here, plumbs right over here. Kind of like factory, close we can get, but I think it looks better than just sticking an air filter cone over there. I'm very happy with it, to say the least. And I'll probably replace the clamps just to kind of shine it up a little bit, but there you have it.